VM20 CNC vertical machining center. It has a Milltronics Centurion 7 CNC control, a Cat 40 spindle taper, an 8,000 max RPM spindle, a 24 station tool carousel, comes with a chip auger, coolant system, RS-232 port, machine manuals. The travels on this machine are 40 inches by 20 inches by 26 inches. The spindle to table distance ranges from 4 inches to 30 inches. This machine has a rapid traverse rate of 1,000 inches per minute. It is for sale at www.machinesused.com. That's machinesused.com.